Instead of you taking a step and moving, if you're not even taking a step and staying still wherever you're already a failure.
Hello,
Hi,
Ravi.
Kirti ji.
First of all, congratulations for being a mother.
Thank
And
you.
I wanted to know कि आप सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हैं। एक मदर के साथ आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर भी है, तो आप मुझे कुछ बताएंगे कि आप सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज करते हैं।
Yeah, to be honest, Kirti ji, you know, is it tough being a mother and being an entrepreneur? Yeah, first initial few months, I did have challenges, definitely. But then it is mostly like you need to plan things, and then everything is sorted. And of course, you need a little helping hand from the back end, from the family and all. So yeah, you can manage.
सो बेसिकली क्या होता है ना कि हम लेडीज लोग इंस्पायर होते हैं, फिर डिसीजन भी लेते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रक होते हैं। तो आप ऐसे हम महिलाओं को बताएंगे कि क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं और उसको कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं।
Kirti ji, first of all, I feel there is nothing called challenge. It's just a situation, according to me. And yeah, whatever you asked is most of the women wanted to start something. They have more than me, you, and Ambani. They have a lot of ideas in hand to proceed. But then they'll not be able to go ahead with the ideas they have. They wouldn't be able to execute them. Maybe it is because of the fear I feel, fear, and secondly it can be laziness also. And first thing comes is fear, because I feel a lot of women feels, if I'll go ahead, will I get the support from my family? First thing. So first of all, it is because of the fear I feel that women might think, if I'll start now as a beginner into entrepreneur journey, or getting into job, can be any sort of a work you mean to say. Firstly, they have this fear. I feel, this is my opinion completely, that they have a fear of failure. That what if they'll not be successful? Secondly, they have fear about the society. A lot of women have this thing whether society will accept it or not. Whether they make fun of me behind. So I think that is more of the thing. Secondly, will the family support? As you asked me in the beginning of the this all interview, that how you managing? Okay, as being a mother, how you managing your business as well as your motherhood? It is mostly women have this fear that whether the family will support or not. Of course, definitely the family support should be there, but initially, in case it is out of my experience again. When you initially start something, it has to be your call. Will there be struggles? Definitely struggles would be there. Will there be up and down? Definitely up and downs would be there, because firstly, you don't have knowledge about what did you start. You're a new person into the field. You need to learn. Second, you don't know what is your competition. You need to understand that as well. Third, it is all new for you, as in till date you have never done it, and you don't know how to manage your time, family, all your other aspects of life, because that those things you'll have to check, and I think it's good to go. It is mostly like take a step a day.
बेसिकली व्हाट हैपन ना, हम लेडीज लोगों को फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड यही सिखाया जाता है कि कैसे बैठना, कैसे उठना, क्या खाना, मतलब एवरीथिंग। बट दे आर नॉट टोट अस टू हाउ टू प्रायोरिटाइज आवर सेल्फ, हाउ टू गिव
True.
इम्पोर्टेंट टू आवर सेल्फ।
True.
सो आप उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे।
See, of course, I belong to an Orthodox family. I understand the question where this is coming from, but उतना भी नहीं है कि don't do your job, or don't get into any field, don't earn money, or don't have yourself. उतना भी नहीं, but end of the day, I saw my mother also somewhere that she always prioritized the rest of the family, like me, my brother, my dad, and everybody in the family, and then she prioritizes herself. So somewhere I was also into the same, you know, think that okay, I need to take care of all my family members, and then my number comes, you know. But then later I realized, no, if I'm not happy, I'll never be able to make anybody happy. I'll be like, that chirchida jaisa, woman who always, keeps always are irritated, and always keeps the family also irritated. So I never wanted to be like that. Be Prioritize yourself. Definitely, any human being, I would suggest, not only women. You need to prioritize yourself. You need to take care of yourself first of all. When I say take care, your physically and mentally also you need to take care of yourself, and then I think you can give a beautiful yourself to a family.
Oh, so you are telling first कि overcome fear, and second thing कि prioritize yourself to self love, about self love.
Definitely.
So तो रवि जी, आपने फियर के बारे में बोला और वुमेन्स को प्रायोरिटाइज देना चाहिए उसके बारे में बोला। तो आप ये बता सकते हैं कि आपने कैसे अपनी जर्नी में आगे बढ़े हैं?
So Kirti ji, basically, I would suggest fear is always there. Today, if I'm scared about certain thing, yes, there are certain areas which I'm scared to touch and all. But end of the day, what keeps me going is you need to try. You need to take a step. I read this somewhere and it made a lot of sense to me that instead of you taking a step and moving, if you're not even taking a step and staying still wherever you're already a failure. So instead of that, take a step and move. Whether you will be failed or you will be successful, leave it to the destination, leave it to the God whomsoever you pray for. Why are you becoming God and thinking about the result right now? Don't think about it. Max to max, what happens is you need to learn from your mistakes. What did you do today, and do not repeat it tomorrow. Simple as that. And about the priority, what you do is take off what I do out of my experience. I'm telling you, when it is becoming more on your head, like okay, lot of things on at a time comes, take a break of 30 minutes or 40 minutes, 45 minute ka break lo, and then sit down with yourself, talk to yourself, understand what happened in the day, where can you get correct or where did you go wrong. Then do not repeat it. Okay, consciously correct yourself and you'll be okay. And and nobody else can give us confidence, but we ourselves have to give the confidence, because if you don't know what sort of a idea or ideology that you're giving to a next generation, whether you have a girl child or a guy. I am blessed that I have a girl child. I definitely wanted to see her see me um, as a role model. That's a different story, but yeah, you need to get up every day and do your work. That's it. Don't think less and do your work. That will give us result, rather than think that what if I'll start and then this happens wrong and that happens wrong. Take a step and do it. Leave it to God. Do it with wholeheartedness, and I think everything will fall in place.
Thank you so much for inspiring to all of us.
Yeah, thank you so much for all of this. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.